Hi, first grade families. So what you're going to need to do is get on my website and scroll down so you can see the at-home learning section. And during this quarantine, stay-at-home business that we're on, I've provided some activities. There's a lot of free resources out there, so I will walk you through how to do these. So you'll see there's a little schedule: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, please know that I'm not requiring all of this. It is just something to keep your child's brain going, to keep your learning students, to keep reading and have these activities while you're at home. So the first thing you're going to notice is right here, it says day one of Scholastic activities. So I'm using the free resources from scholastic.com to help us out with our learning. It's Animal Studies Spiders. So you will click on the link and it'll take you to this website here. And when you're on here, you'll notice that this little yellow section here tells you that you need to get a free account with BookFlix and Watch and Learn Library. You don't do that. Just remember the Learning 20 and the password Clifford. So what you'll do is, here it gives you a little picture of all the different things for the activities that you're going to do. Animal Studies Spiders, that's what we're working on today, day one. And then you would click Take Me There. And so if you clicked Take Me There, well, I've already logged in, so it already has my login, but it'll ask you for the password and the username. And you would just type in Learning 20, capitalize the L, and capitalize the C for Clifford, and it'll let you in. And so once you're there, you will start over here and you will watch the story, read the book, do the puzzlers. Then I'd like you to go up at the top up here and click back to the day one animal studies. And then over here, there's another little watch a video. And this part that says draw and write activity, do the activity, I put that in Seesaw. So what you'll do is you'll go back to my website and it says Seesaw activities. Log into Seesaw and complete the activities. So what you'll need to do is scroll down on my website to go to Seesaw, and you will click on Seesaw. And it's already got me in there. I tried to log out, but it's smart and it knows. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go up in the corner here where there's Google, or go to Google here and log in and sign in with your Google account. And you'll put your Google email and your password. Now, if you don't know your Google email and you don't know your password, I know them. So please dojo me and I can give you that information so you can sign into your Google account. So I'll go ahead and sign into my Google account. And then once you're in Seesaw, then over here, you'll see activities right here. And there'll be like a number 4 or something in red over here. And if you click on activities, you'll see over here, these are the new activities that I'd like you to do today. You don't have to do all of them. You can if you want to, but there's just a suggestion for a few of them to do. Some learning with your words, another one for the math, for telling and writing time. This one is the Invent a Spider activity that was from the Scholastic web site. So what you do is you would add a response, read the directions, add a response, pick your name would already be there. For me, I would just do sample student. So if you see sample student, you will see what we're doing. You're going to be drawing, so click drawing, and then you'll just do what my instructions were. You can go up here and view the instructions to see what it is again, and then click out. And then when you're done drawing and you're done recording and you're done typing the name of your spider, then you would click the check mark here. And then it will go to me and I will review it and I will approve it. And then you can see yours on your journal. You can also see all your friends activities that they have done as well. And you can make comments on them, and you can, here, I'll show you what you can do. So once you've done your activities, you can click journal, and you can see all of our friends and all their activities that they've done. You can comment on them. You can say good job. You can say hi. And I will approve those as well. So that's our Seesaw learning. So if you go back to my website, that's where the Seesaw is. And every day I have some activities to do. On the bottom here, right here, you will see that there are, MobiMax, IXL, RazKids, they're still available. Same passwords like we use in the classroom. You use my website to access those. There are also lots of programs during this time. You might be seeing them on Facebook and other things. Try them. I haven't tried them. These are to abcmouse.com and Reading IQ. I have not tried. But our school has a free code, school 8866, so you can totally do those as well. I am not requiring any of this work. I know some of you have to go to grandma's house, or you have babysitters, or you're at home, and lots of different reasons why you are unable to do this work. It is optional. It is available for you. And please let me know if you have more questions. Just send me dojo messages. I am available. Okay, have fun, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.